The independent living coordinators help me a lot because we all like to be independent for as long as we possibly can, and they help us with that. And as our needs change, if we let the independent living coordinators know, then they will help us with any services they could bring in.
Amazing, yes. You can't explain it really, can you? How kind they all are.
I find it very beneficial that I've got support when I need it, and I can go about being more independent.
Well, I was married, you see, and my husband died, of course, 7 years ago, and I was left on my own. Then I had pains in the legs and went back like this. I do manage on my own though, you know, but I get a lot of help from Allison, our warden. She's very, very good, yes.
In all honesty, we couldn't do without the ILCs. They're there to help us. Feel safe and secure.
Life is very good living at here, and we've got every facility that we needed with washing machines and different things here. We've got a good warden called Anne. She's very, very thorough in everything she does. She checks our fire alarms and different things once a month, and to me that is a big help to a lot of people around here.
Brilliant. I couldn't wish for better. I feel safe. To be honest, I trust Gwennon with my life. And I know the day will come that it'll be on Gwennon if anything happens to me. And that's my only concern because she's so good. But they all are.